Restoration contractors that are newer to this game, I can see that there's a lot of you guys out there, and I can help you with this process. So after you guys get an insurance deal and you're trying to figure out how to, run it through the process and get paid, and you're dealing with the insurance company and it's a big nightmare, my company can totally take over that process for you. You worry about getting your sales, you worry about doing the construction. I'll take care of all the insurance crap that you guys don't want to deal with. But even moreover than that, I don't want to just do that for you guys. I want to teach it to you. So I have a bunch of cool training modules that I'm in the process of making right now, some of which you can buy right now in pre-sale format and get a huge discount. Most of these modules will be coming out over the summer as quickly as possible. But what you can do in the right now, you can hire my company. We can help you totally facilitate this process. I'll take you through what we do. It's going to be really great. You guys are going to love it. And then for the long term, you can get away from paying somebody like me, and I'll show you how to do it on your own.